Welcome to a new video, everybody. Cooking with KM. Today we're going to make a very nice Cuban salad. It's called Ceviche salad. Ceviche. So you're going to need cucumbers, organic. You're going to need fresh shrimps, organic. You're going to need lime to squeeze after at the top. You're going to need tomatoes. And you're going to need... Now, cilantro is very important because it gives the flavor. This is a very yummy Cuban dish. Step by step, we will show you how to do it. So back to the video now. This is the best knife you should be using. Very good knife. So here, you need this. And then you have the shrimp. You have to take the tail off and then have a nice clean shrimp. Okay? Now you're going to take the shrimp and you're going to cut it into 3 pieces. Now you do this with all of them. You don't want the pieces to be very small. You don't want this. You want big pieces, okay? Okay, so now that we have the shrimp ready, this is when the lime comes into play, okay? The lime will help this cook very fast and it will make it taste very good. So you grab the lime. So you squeeze the lime on top of the shrimp before mixing it. Before mixing it, you put the lime on the shrimp. Okay? Okay. Now you have to put the lime on top of the shrimp. So whoever is watching, خد هذا الليمون الفوق من shrimp. ليمون استنقوي أتيبشن. So now the lemon is finished. Okay. Now we're gonna take our bowl. Now let the shrimp sit while it gets cooked from the juice of the lemon. The juice of the lemon will make it very strong. So now you grab this stuff. Okay.
طبعا معانا شيف من كوبا، أنا أشكره على هذا اللي اسمه أعطاني هاي الزلاطة اللي معاها شريمب وكلها فيتامين سي على مود هذا اللي اسمه. عارفين اكو أطفال ناس ما يحبون الزلاطة بس بهذا الشيء متأكد ياكلوها ويحبوها، وأنا أشكر الشيف اللي شرفني واليوم جاء عندنا.
Now if you've never tried the shrimp salad, it's one of the best salads. The most important thing is the coriander. Okay? So remember coriander.
متأكد اللي يجربها أول مرة يحبها، لأن هذه على طريقة الكوبا ومعايا شيف وأنا أشكره.
Now the last one is to take one more lemon and put it all over the salad.
A nursing home's medical director calling it a war zone after 9 residents died.